Hello, you're watching Forex Market Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. At the end of this week, the following macroeconomic events will grab traders' attention. The first key event on Thursday is a release of the unemployment data from Australia for July. Most analysts expected that this indicator stayed at the level of 5.6%. In June, the unemployment rate rose from 5.5% to 5.6% in May. This result came in line with the analysts' expectations. Besides, the Australian economy added 14,000 new jobs, which was a bit smaller increase than the expected rise of 15,000. The full-time jobs advanced by 62,000, while the part-time employment fell by 48,000. The number of the unemployed people who are looking for a job on a full-time basis rose by 9,200. The participation rate was 65% versus the expected figure of 64.9%. One more key report is scheduled for release on Thursday. The United Kingdom will unveil the retail sales data. The volume of retail sales, including auto fuel, is expected to rise at a slower pace of 0.2% from the previous months. In June, the retail sales in the United Kingdom advanced by 0.6% from May, while the expected pace of growth was 0.4%. In annual terms, the retail sales hit the four-year high of 2.9% versus the forecast of 2.6%. The growth in June was boosted by seasonal factors, as hot weather contributed to a rise in clothes sales. Sharp depreciation of the pound sterling, which was caused by news about the UK leaving the European Union in June last year, as well as weak wages growth, put the household spending under pressure because some vital products, such as food, became more expensive. On Friday, Canada will publish the Consumer Price Index for July. The monthly inflation rate is expected to remain unchanged. In the previous months, the Consumer Price Index in Canada fell by 0.1% on a monthly basis, matching analysts' expectations. In annual terms, the inflation was at 1% in June versus the forecast of 1.1%. It was the lowest level since October 2015. A fall in gasoline prices triggered a decline. At the same time, the core consumer price index, excluding energy and food prices, rose by 0.1%. On a yearly basis, the core CPI remained unchanged at the level of 0.9%. This was the lowest reading since February 2011. Additionally, the following reports will see the light at the end of this week. New Zealand will unveil the Producer Price Index. In the Eurozone, the final inflation estimates will be released. And the European Central Bank will publish the minutes of its latest monetary policy. The United States will present the initial jobless claims data and the Philly Manufacturing Index. On Friday, the United States will deliver the Consumer Sentiment Index by the Michigan University. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. We wish you profitable deals with ИнстаФорекс.